Hello space fans, today let us talk about black holes. They like powerful vacuums in space that even light can't escape. NASA scientists recently made a discovery that's making everyone a bit scared. Join us as we explore what they found and why it matters. For a long time black holes have been a big mystery. NASA scientists are figuring them out and what they found is pretty scary. But first make sure to subscribe so you never miss our space updates. So black holes happen when big stars run out of fuel, they collapse, and if they really big they become black holes. But what's inside them? NASA is finding out. Inside a black hole there's something called a singularity, super dense and crazy, and there's an invisible line called the event horizon. Once something crosses this line it can't escape. It's like a point of no return. Some black holes are small, stellar, some are huge, supermassive, and there are mysterious ones in between, intermediate. They all different, but one thing is certain, getting close to them is chaos. NASA recently found a black hole far away, just 470 million years after the Big Bang. It's a baby black hole, and understanding it helps us know more about the early universe. So are black holes a danger?